Interested in a career in Salesforce but concerned that coding is too complicated? Check out this video by saasguru to gain a better understanding of the difficulty level of Salesforce coding. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on all things Salesforce. Salesforce is a widely used customer relationship management platform that offers a variety of career opportunities for people who love technology. The popular CRM involves coding, therefore, it is understandable that you would be intimidated by the thought of it. Relax, Salesforce coding is simpler than you might think. There are two primary paths to getting started in the Salesforce ecosystem: as a Salesforce certified administrator or as a Salesforce developer. Your organization may require the assistance of a Salesforce developer to add code or an administrator to add fields, or at times both. In contrast to a Salesforce developer, an administrator usually carries out declarative changes in the org and is responsible for managing releases into production, whereas developers primarily build functionality using Apex and Lightning components. They should still have a better understanding of the declarative tools that admins use. How difficult is Salesforce coding? Salesforce developers do not jump into coding immediately when a new requirement arises. They first look to accomplish the task using declarative tools before turning to programming. That said, developers primarily use two programming languages, Apex and Salesforce Lightning components, which can be learned as you go forward in the Salesforce ecosystem. Here are a few of our top suggestions to succeed in your Salesforce career. To sum up, Salesforce is fast but manageable to learn. Focusing on these technical and soft skills allows one to grasp how the platform works and master Salesforce coding within weeks. To learn more about Salesforce training and certification courses, sign up with saasguru today.